afternoon. We have gathered here to discuss because last year the sales department budget for travel was of 2 million. So we would like to cut expenses and we are here to hear about new options to reduce that. In my opinion and research, I think we can use email and video conference to talk with customers and more specifically with existing customers because I think we have to like have a better treatment with new customers, and that's my opinion.
Yeah, I agree with you. I already have a list of a lot of platforms that we can use because I think it's important for us as a company to reduce the expenses. And so I think it's important for us to communicate with our customers and with these platforms that I will share with you in a minute, and with the customers that we already have. It's important to give them feedback or be in touch with them. But with the new customers, I think it's important for us that we need to go with them in order to give them like a nice treatment.
I believe face-to-face meetings are very important in order to keep our current customers and also promote our new products to them. And also, it's obviously really important to get new customers by doing these practices. I think it is crucial because we can that way provide some kind of personalized attention, and we can almost guarantee they will keep buying our products. Since our sales staff are there to answer any questions they might have about the equipment, and also they can probably give them advice about payment plans too. And these meetings, it's how we have achieved this high level of loyalty through the years. So I think it is important to keep this in the company.
I agree with the idea that we should cut expenses, but I actually I strongly believe that meeting face to face our clients is one of the most important things that our company does. Basically, because it's way more effective to explain how does something work or our new ideas to someone like face to face instead of making a video conference, for example. So I think the doctors are pretty busy people and don't have like time to like attending these video conferences. So it's way better to go and visit the hospital and have a quick chat with them, or if it's very necessary, to have pretty organized and scheduled meeting with them so we can discuss our new improvements.
Well, another option we can implement is when we require to travel is to start using economy and low cost airlines, and in that way we can reduce the cost up to 50%. So I think that benefits a lot to the company because we are going to reduce a lot that expenses.
Another option that I think is to talk with the airlines and discuss about a percent that they can reduce from the price. So it's because, as you know, it's important, as you mentioned, for example, doctors, that they don't have a lot of time. So it's important for us to go only like 5 minutes, but that travel is going to be expensive for us.
Yeah, but imagine like for example, you're attending like to a video conference, and the doctor, the surgeon, is having a surgery or something pops on, like for example, a critical patient, and he has to leave. So if you are in the hospital, like chatting with them or having a conference or the meeting, that doctor can get away, but you could have some members of the staff there, or you could wait for the doctor to come back to the meeting or to rearrange, and it's easier.
Okay, in that way we could talk with the airlines and discuss of a discount.
Some arrangement, yeah.
Yeah, because it's important for us.
Yeah, I think that's that could work. Like I think high quality sales staff is required because our equipment is specialized, as we know. So they need to have a certain level of preparation, and they also have to spend a lot of time reading about our products so they can be able to answer any questions our customers have. So I think the less we could do is to provide them with the best amenities. So yeah, I think it is important to keep them comfortable during their travel because they usually visit several customers in the same day and also in the same city. So yeah, I think we could keep them in the business class during the flight, during the planes, and also get comfortable hotels for them because I think it's a win-win situation. Each of our staffs visit from 4 to 5 customers per day. So I think we could, yeah, provide them with the best comfort we can.
Yeah, I agree. I agree because we make like average 150 visits a year. Perhaps different countries or different parts of the country. So I really think that we should be comfortable. I tell you because I also have to travel a lot for selling our products. So it's very important, like because sometimes the flights are pretty long, and yes, if our staff needs to be traveling this much and living the country this much, they should have at least some of these advantages, let's say.
And well, I think it's important to like have comfortable places to stay, but I think that to save money, we can also organize times in order that the staff visits the customers in just one day, and in that way we will not pay the hotel, and it will be like a trip of only one day, and in that way we are going to save more money.
Another thing is that, for example, if someone really needs to travel with the customers instead of using the platform, it's to check and be organized, so we can check if it's necessary for that person to go with that customer. Because if we think it's something, I don't know, of 5 minutes that we can arrange in the video conference, it's important for us to say no, you can use the platform, or yeah, it's really necessary that you need to, yeah.
Okay, so I think these ideas are pretty valid. I think we could further discuss this in another meeting. Perhaps we can schedule another one. So
Yeah. So thank
Goodbye.
you.